Conclude the session. We have here Secretary Kamachunila from Department of Information and International Relations, and Kungadawa Tsirila, Director of Tibet Policy Institute. First, I request Kung Kamachunila to give the concluding remark.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the Tibet Policy Institute, Director Dawat Tsirila, and others involved for organizing this symposium on finding common ground. And I was told to give a concluding remarks, and I'm totally elated to be here in the conference. So thank you very much for inviting me. And the speakers who have come from different parts of the world, particularly from Taiwan, I would say, I congratulate you and commend you that you have come all the way to Dharamsala and to be part of this symposium. I'm thankful to Professor Yu Dahai, Mr. Sangpu, Du Keke, Yang Wang Li, and our colleagues from Li. Of course, Li Yingjun, of course, sorry for, and our colleagues from TPI for being part of this conference. And I think finding common ground, when you speak about that, the situation that we are facing is all common. We are all suffering under the repression of Chinese regime, and directly or indirectly. So common ground is always there. So we've been discussing on this for the last, I think, more than 60 years. Dr. Sewangla spoke about that common voice that was started in early 80s. So we have always been meeting together in this kind of symposium, or sometimes we are out there in the public protests. We are all together at different platforms to show our solidarity with each other. And so finding common ground is always there. So the important thing is that we need to have a common agenda and kind of a program or a common understanding to move forward in future. So our collaboration, our association is all the more important and urgent now than I think before. So we need to have this kind of symposium, this kind of conferences on and off. Our TPI has been organizing these kind of conferences for a long time. Particularly last year we had a conference in Dharamsala at this time too, and then our Office of Tibet in Taiwan is also doing the same. So we need to have this kind of discussion. It's very important, and our speakers, the speakers have spoken on a wide range of issues, about the relation between Taiwan and Tibet, about the relation between the CTA, and also on the situation inside Burma, which is kind of new to all of us. So these kind of discussions are all important. So I think the most important thing is, our struggle is kind of difficult, all of us agree. It's difficult, it's an uphill task. So we need to, we never should lose our hope. So His Holiness has always been talking about hope for the best and prepare for the worst, So this is important. It's a very important message. In India, we have this Hindi saying that "Umid pe duniya kayam hai." So loosely translated, like it is on the foundation of the hope that the world survives or sustains. If we lose hope, we'll disintegrate. We'll go haywire, So our struggle is difficult. It is really challenging, but we should never lose hope, and we should always try stand strong, try to pass on the baton to the next generation. It's important, all the more important. So I think with this, I thank you all particularly for the TPI director and deputy director and others involved for organizing this conference, and the speakers who have come all the way from Taiwan and maybe from other region, from US, professor, who are coming all the way to Dharamsala to be part of this one-day conference. And we hope that we'll meet again, in some other platforms, maybe in Dharamsala or some other places. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Kungola. Now I request our Director Kungo Dawatirila to deliver a word of thanks. Kungo tuji chishi sumji taran na.
Tuni ta tuji chisin tabde shirdas. Tsama tuji che tsama yamak tiri. Chongtung gwan tal. Deson. Tuni nyen son tuni chowa yabu tang son tuni chedu. Nga tu chong de godri che de a tuzo tulu tuni tuni lenji tsamak tuni che ala. Nyin tamba ni tuji che shuya yin. Tango ni tuni chayi che ya nga su ji. Shaja jaki janda, yin janda, peki janda. Tsama teka nye yoba che ya rede. Oji nga su te chala nyin, sacha nyin li ja. Tuzo nyan dadri ma chung ni chung ma soma tiri. Tendri re song jang. Maung ba nga su te ya. Yaru tang ya be chun che ya yin. Teme ta shuya ma tsama ya ma te nyin taban tuji shuya yin. Tengi koso te jakek toni koso ji shi shuwa chi. 谢谢大家的与会，因为真的是很不容易。像大海以前我在那个外交新闻部的时候，那时候我们邀请他到达尔萨拉，那时候他有来，但是我那时候刚好出国，所以那时候没见到。昨天我又有病我也没能够去成，但是今天我们还是见面了，所以缘分还是在。然后我们这次特别邀请到 缅甸的还有英军，他自己这样来参加这些东西，而且给我们这样分享很多有关议会的，这个对我们来说是很重要的这些的活动。那么像缅甸的话，对我个人来说，基本上是第一次。之前很少有过跟缅甸的，像香港呢，我们都有过很多的交流，因为香港曾经有一阵子在香港有很多的 支持西藏的，或者拿着西藏国旗，所以香港中间有阵子我们做了很多的工作，有认识很多，但是缅甸是第一次，所以今天真的是很荣幸能够认识，而且希望未来我们还是能够有很多共同的一些可以去做的事情。那流亡藏人，像流亡政府啊，或者这些，我们在印度是很边远的地方，我们在达尔萨拉，但是我们会分布到世界各地，因为 我们的经验是我们一定要寻求外援，如果没有外界的援助，仅仅靠我们的努力是不够的。同样的，反过来讲，如果没有自己的努力，外援是不会有的。所以这两个是相辅相成的。同时，如果没有外援的话，我们真的什么也做不了。但是如果自己不努力，当然就不会有外援嘛。所以从这样的角度来讲，我们特别的注重跟外界的朋友的接触、交往、交流。 特别是跟我们同命运的，比如说像缅甸的、香港的、维吾尔或蒙古，但是维吾尔或者是他们来，其实香港的也很困难，到印度来，印度政府有一些忌惮，所以去年我们的会议我们就没有能够开成。那今年，其实今年申请签证，台湾那个印度之后还是有一些额外的 问了很多，但是还算顺。当时我的心一惊，我说哇，又不会出事吧？但是最后我们还是成行了。成行了以后，我们今天能够在这里聚会，然后算是互相这样一个认识，然后希望我们未来会有很多，因为我们的路还很长，我们还没有达到目的，没有达到目的地，我们不会放弃，我们都还是会去做。在这个过程中，我们可能有很多地方需要相互鼓气 相互打气，相互帮助，相互支持。那个时候，我们一起共同的努力。然后，谢谢大家，谢谢。
공화라 투지는 못했습니다. Now, okay, please. Now I request our Director Kungo Dawatirila and Secretary Kungo Kamachunila to offer the Tibet Journal book and Kada to the 5 speakers. Please, one. Kungo the Kada.
아니 공무. 나. 많이 봐. 공무 카다.
OK。
对啊，俺说给离婚了，对，完了他就挂，
这个是缅甸的宝石脸推的，这个是原画。
对
这是缅甸的宝石一直推过去的。对对，是这样对对。
俺那些那什么直接的多，对那帮外家的多，所以咱们的多地方这个虚岁，给家的等着是，给我咋行不？好，谢谢。
먼저 이제 빠지자.
가르치자.
공원 나도 쉬고 그자.
还有我们。